Welcome to Spring Break 2018, and you know how people get crazy for spring break, so we're gonna do a crazy thing, and that's
destroying makeup.
We're gonna destroy some makeup. This is not important or valuable makeup to us. It's makeup that we don't use, so don't feel bad for us destroying it, because we sure don't. So we have all of this makeup, and we have two camera angles. I'll just show you what some of it is. This is red lipstick. This is red lipstick. This is red lipstick that we're not going to destroy completely. This is purple stuff. This is some stuff from Hot Topic.
This is also red lipstick.
I thought you were going to use that.
No.
No.
I don't know why. It smells awful.
Some of these smell really good. They smell like chocolate. The hearing just kind of stopped in my right ear. I don't know why that happened, so it's fine. It's cold. We don't really have a plan for this. I would like to say that it's a tutorial, but it's not because we've never done it before. We're just gonna, you know, simply, yeah, like most things in my life lately, we're just gonna do it and we're gonna see how it goes. First of all, I want to point out that I discovered that this pops right off of this. This is and also someone said that, someone on the internet said that, can't get it off now. The thingamabob on the bottom of the e.l.f. lipstick comes off, and I got it off earlier. I struggled really hard the other night. Okay, there it is. See, got it. So, here we go. I'm just gonna... It's stuck. Okay, how much of this?
Try to dig it out.
See, I saw this. Wow, there's a lot in there. See, when you think your lipstick is empty, it's actually not empty. There's so much left in here. You're probably spending so much money on lipstick when you still have some. You just have to take a thingamabob and... Wow, that's a lot, actually. Yeah, let's... Okay. What do you want to do with that? Let's put it on a plate so we can collect them.
That was set.
It sort of mixed the colors together. There's lipstick on my fingers.
Yeah, the color doesn't go on very well either. It's very patchy and gross. That's great.
I didn't think about the fact that we will probably need a lot of makeup remover.
You're the only one covered in makeup.
You could just pull it all out.
Are you just gonna yank it out again?
Yes. Oh, it's so smooth and nice though. Watch this. I hope it works. Oh,
it might have been just the crap.
Help!
Ew.
It doesn't work.
Try wiggling it.
Well, the good news is you can't just easily break your Clinique lipstick. So this sort of kind of turned brown. Brown, that right there. Ew. Maybe we could just mix them. Look how much
Dip it.
stuff. I missed.
It's empty. What?
I may have melted some lipstick.
How would you do that without me?
You want to come see what it looks like? Bye. What's your problem?
I don't think it's supposed to smoke. Maybe that's why this smells weird. I watched like 2 YouTube tutorials. I know what I'm doing. What if I like cook it like heroin? Watch it.
You did that really hard. I couldn't tell you how long we've been sitting here melting things, but I'm gonna end this video here because I'm really hungry and I want some soup. And we'll show you what all this looks like whenever she's done doing whatever she's doing.
I'm living.
But yeah, I hope you like this video. Don't be mad at us for destroying some lipstick because we weren't gonna use it and it was just gonna go to waste anyway, so. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna go eat some soup and I'll supervise Sabrina so she doesn't hurt herself.
How are you gonna supervise me soup?
I'll figure it out.
Wow.
Wow!
I feel alive for the first time in many years.